Mighty machines in action. Tractors. By Emily Rose Oachs. Field machines. A tractor slowly moves across a field. It pulls a baler behind it. The field is covered in cut hay. As the tractor drives, the baler gathers the hay. Soon, the tractor brakes and the baler opens. Out drops a hay bale. Thud. Then the tractor drives ahead to make another bale. Farm helpers. Tractors are strong machines used for pulling heavy loads. Farmers use them for many jobs. Without tractors, a farmer's work would be much harder. Farmers plow fields and plant seeds with tractors. Tractors can also help spray for pests. In the fall, tractors help harvest crops. Implements and engines. Tractors pull implements behind them. Implements help tractors plow, plant, and do other work. Drawbars connect implements to the tractors. Tractors are powered by diesel engines. The engines can also power different implements. Spinning poles, called power takeoffs, carry power to the implements. Many tractors have big back tires. They allow the tractor to drive over soft soil and mud. Strong and steady. Drivers control tractors from the cab. Many cabs have computers that map out fields. Some computers guide tractors without drivers. Tractors crawl down roads and across fields. They are strong and steady. Whatever the job is, they get it done. The end.